Welcome back everyone. Today we're looking at this all metal mini tripod by Handheld, and this is the box that it comes in. And here it says 1/4 inch screw, it's got high capacity load, all metal and hand hold, which means all like you hold it with the hand. Tiny little thing. So what you get in the box: Allen key and your tripod. The Allen key obviously is for the underneath part to tighten up for the legs, and it fits just in that groove right there. You got this like a rubbery grippy thing on the inside here, then you have rubber legs, or rubber feet I should say, and it sits really low. In fact it sits, let me just measure it, so it sits about 4.5 centimeters high. Alright, how much does it weigh? It weighs 107 grams. Fairly heavy for the size of it. The construction is really well made, heavy duty. If you are in the market to buy a small tripod like this, have a look at this one because it is quite good. The grip on it is really good. Like it's got like a matte finish. Very small, and it's very compact, and it's really nice and comfortable to hold in your hands as well. So the girth is just perfect to hold. So let's go outside and we'll take a closer look. Alright, just outside now, just to demonstrate how you could possibly use it. Here I have an adapter and a iPhone holder, or a phone holder. And it's great for like really low shots as well, in portrait and in landscape. No problems. And here's another action camera. They fit all your GoPros or your Action Pro cameras from DJI. And it sits really nicely. I like the girth that you get on this little tripod. So you've got a good grip on it. Here's a little overhead look. Looks really nice. And this is the reason why I got it, is because of my Action 5 Pro. Comes with a selfie stick, but it doesn't come with a little tripod, so that's why I bought it. So you could actually put this on really fast and take it off really fast. It's very steady for the size, and that's it. So that was the mini tripod from Handheld. So if you're interested, links will be in the description. Go up and have a little read on it yourselves, and yeah, if you are in the market to buy one, have a look at this one first. See ya.